Okay, what we're doing right now is we're getting ready to move all them little guys, or at least a bigger portion of the little guys over here in this bin, the roosters. And this is where we're going to keep them till what, about middle of January?
Yeah.
Isn't that about when they'll be old enough to cook for dinner?
Yep.
At least some of them. Right, but that's the deal. We're going to put the roosters out here, let them till and fertilize the ground for us, and we'll be incorporating that into the garden. And we've got, you know, a lot more area out here that we want to do that with, so we're going to use chickens to do it. All right, so
these are the short ones.
What I did is, well, you know, the biggest thing we got right now, we just can't take the chickens and put them in there. Technically, you know, the pen would hold them, but one thing that we have a big problem with, is predators, possums, foxes, coons. And those guys will dig and dig and dig until they find a spot. And so what we're gonna do is I took some scrap wire, some scrap 2-foot wire, and cut it in half. Yeah, we'll be stapling this wire to the bottom perimeter of the cage to hold the wire in place. Last year, I just took the wire and I just slid it up under the PVC. And so as I was thinking about this, I said, well, we're going to be wanting to move it and all, you know, we'll have to pick up the wire, carry it, and whatever, we'll have to do that anyway. But I thought what we'd do this time is just secure the wire to the edge. And then when we get ready to move it, I can just, you know, pull it up, hook it. We got some ground conforming to do. I know how to fix that. Just so long as I can get this down there where those guys can't dig up underneath. If they try to dig up underneath, they're gonna be trying to dig about, you know, a foot or so under the ground to get up underneath this wire. And that's kind of like what I'm hoping this will do. Set a couple cinder blocks around the outside edge. It's not like I'm going to be moving it every day. Short section. I'll do this on the end. So, just got a couple cinder blocks I need to throw down right there. Right up under where the door goes. And they ought to be pretty safe in there tonight. There you go. We'll get them, you know, we'll get them something that they can roost on in there, hang out. But right now, they're probably going to be pretty happy just having all that room, not being in that hutch no more. Wow, I can't believe they got that big. That's unbelievable. Okay, well, you gotta love it. I'll see y'all later, guys.